Hi friends, let me show you my new Wiggle ball that I received for reviewing purposes. It is great for dogs, big dogs, medium-sized dogs. As you can see, has a nice size. It makes a fun wiggle noise when you move it. And the good thing is that it has no batteries. You don't have to recharge it. It's just a physical toy. So you don't have to, you want to play, so you don't have to be thinking about recharging or changing batteries or anything. This is just a physical game. Let's play with it. As you can see, it's a fun toy for the pets or any dog. They can play with it. This is a great toy for your pets.